I'm at Blue Mountain State Park. They've got a nice sort of bike-in, hike-in sites. They're dedicated for cyclists and hikers. And I've set up my little tent right here, which went right up. It's so easy. There's a couple poles and that give it structure, and then you tent it out. And this is what it looks like. It's got the fly over a all sort of net tent. One piece bottom. There are no seams on the bottom whatsoever, so that's nice. It was not going to leak. And I have a Thermarest 3/4 length pad and a camp pillow. Good morning. It's May 23rd, 2018. I'm testing my gear for a major bike packing trip, and other videos you probably have seen if you're watching this one. I guess I'm making coffee here in the morning after a fairly successful night. I'd say the only thing that was a little amiss here was the tent had a problem, and my sleeping bag got wet. So you see the droplets of water coming through the fly. So this fly is not doing its job, and this was just dew, it wasn't rain. So I may have to consider an alternate home for this trip. But everything else worked really well, actually. I mentioned before some problems with fork mounts, the anywhere mounts. This coffee maker is a little too slow for my liking, but it makes a really nice cup of coffee. Nope, I think I got a little problem right now in my second cup. So that will end this video as I look into what's going on there.